sipping on necks. Lil baddie, cashing big checks. I bought the whole block out, now that's a big flex. Peeping out my Uber window, like what's next? Got new levels and new devils out the wazoo. Ain't no worries, life gets better when you find you. And if you mind you, peace will abide and hide you until it's time to start anew. So live it up, we grown, ain't got no curfew. Who brought the bad vibes? Tell that bitch move. Walking all in my inner, that's a bitch move. Pressed that I arrived, mad that I survived. All your sad attempts to send me to the sky. But I've been in the wind, been had wings, I was always this fly. Oh yes, and that's probably why you're mad. Don't let Evie turn you into a trash bag. So get glad, find out why you sad. All that jealousy, you should subside. I think it's time to turn that mirror on you. Put it up close for a clear view. And look deep down inside. And soon you will find a pretty soul that needs more shine. My world has come together, and maybe I just wanna let it shine. There is no good or better. I think tonight I'm gonna make it mine. 1, 2, mean right hook. Come and test me, my mob deep will have you shook. It's a marathon, but baby girl, never let up. No need for speed, but keep your foot up on the gas pedal. Ain't worried about having a golden award when God made me to be an ice cold meadow. Why are you always pressed about my life? Talking with your frenemies about me, saying, ooh girl, have you seen it like the shine lights? You tried, but you could never dim my light. Please know I'm untouchable, girl. I'll slip through your fingers like a real fly kite. Why you wanna turn a good day into fight night? Constantly projecting all that negativity. Take that bad energy and go and get your mind right. Say a prayer tonight to keep your soul tight. You in the big world of danger, cause you dwell in that drama. I put the work in, now I got them big bags that you call Birkins. My world has come together, and maybe I just wanna let it shine. There is no good or better. I think tonight I'm gonna make it mine. My world has come together, and maybe I just wanna let it shine. There is no good or better. I think tonight. What you know about blow up beds, top rhyming? I've been laying down hot tracks all in my closet, spitting heavy bars on the software like Logic. Headed to the shop for some self-care items. Bought the whole store out, man, I love Target. Spent all that bread in my wallet for a bargain. I cut them carbs out, now I'm in the park jogging. All the dogs lined up outside barking. They yelled, hey bitch, I said, I beg your pardon. You a high yellow sedity, uppity chick. Nah, I'm blessed and highly favored and exquisite, but you the type to yell black girl magic, and every single day you do a black girl tragic. That fragile male ego, you can all have it. I'd rather be by my lonely than go back at it like a crack addict. Big facts. I'm breaking free from all these insecurities. No more sabotaging what God has for me. I've made up my mind that I'll be free. I'm letting go of all this negativity. Can't see the tears falling from my eyes, but now they sweating. So many years my self-love I neglected. I poured my heart out to niggas who never checked in. Upset with myself like, girl, why you let him in? He a beast at the late shows like David Letterman. Probably why all his women need a high sedative. Looking at the world like, what more can I give? I can't chill at the store, in my car, at the crib. Like, damn, y'all, can a sister really live? This world to black people is so toxic and tragic. I won't let it get to me, I won't fold. Cause the one who molded me in his hands holds the globe. You a gym rat but never worked on your love muscle. Treat your heart well cause it matters the most. Feed it daily so you won't end up out here comatose. Put a glass in your hand now, let's make a toast. breaking free from all these insecurities. No more sabotaging what God has for me. I've made up my mind that I'll be free. I'm letting go of all this negativity. I'm tired of being broken about this. I'm tired of not knowing where I fit. I'm on my way to being better. I'm on my way to doing better.
Taking it back like Motorola flip phones. Way back when I had posters on my wall. A time and space when people call me brace face. The traumas of this life I just can't escape. There's depression every day, what it takes to be great. Little young mind couldn't understand the stakes. I had to learn on my own how to separate from snakes. Silent screams is what I did every night. Toxic fiends wouldn't let me have a life. The ones real close brought the biggest strife. Hard to be hopeful when you ain't living right. I want the drama out my life, get it out my sight. Run up on me, that's a cause for a fight. One bag in my hand, cause now I pack light. Looking in the mirror, uplifting myself.
Don't worry, little shorty, it'll be alright.
I'm tired of being broken about this. I'm tired of not knowing where I fit. I'm on my way to being better. I'm on my way to doing better.
Never again will I accept disrespect or fall victim to selfish neglect. Mad at me when it's evil you project. I'm coming hard body, ain't no time to half step. Principalities wanna see me down. Holy Ghost with me, I'm so profound. Can't go back now, can't cop my style. Wanna steal my sound, here's your red-nosed clown. Oh, am I supposed to be happy cause you invited me to the party? You want applause for the bare minimum pay me. I got a real big family to feed. I got homeless kin on the streets that's out there in need. No change without land or money, is it free? Your name ain't Stevie, this harm that you're brewing I know beyond your eyes you can clearly see.
I'm tired of being broken about this. I'm tired of not knowing where I fit. I'm on my way to being better. I'm on my way to doing better.
How you face your giant is how God get the glory. Don't quit the good chapter of your story on the way. Show them pearly whites, it's about to be a brighter day. I know you're real sad now, but it'll be okay. When the no's come, don't flinch. Put the work in, beast moment, Charlene. Don't do it for the green, don't do it to be seen. Do it cause you can't just live in your dreams. Put your self-esteem top shelf. The war is on, but you're hitting well. Just can't help these cards you were dealt. But when you arrive, that presence felt. Running supreme in your little round. Purpose meets fate when you find yourself. Keep looking to the hill, which cometh your help. Yeah, look to the hill, which cometh your help.